Hey friends, if you encounter Windows 11 black screen after updating Windows, then please watch this video. Now this can be a very critical error, so we will have to handle it accordingly. First of all, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters, right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. This is if you restart your computer and the black screen doesn't occur at that point of time. Otherwise, you cannot do that either. And in that case, you will only have to go for a clean install with a USB. But assuming that you're at least able to see the computer for a while before the black screen occurs, here's what all you can do. And the next one will be to revert that update for the time being. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab, select Advanced Options. Now you can you can go to Windows Update and then you can go to Update History. You can go to Uninstall Updates. You can check for the latest update and uninstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.